In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create an AI animated character using MidJourney, Studio Azure, and DID. Are you tired of being just another face in a sea of YouTube creators? With AI animated avatars, you can stand out from the crowd and add a touch of personality to your videos, just like I do. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create an AI animated avatar like the one you see in the video. Whether you use it to introduce your topic, tell jokes, or add reactions, a well-designed avatar can make your content more engaging and memorable. In addition to the step-by-step instructions on how to create your avatar, you will see a little story about a distant world where all the advantages of AI have been used to their full potential. To create this project, we used AI tools such as MidJourney for character creation, Studio Azure from Microsoft to voice our text, DID for the final animation of the AI avatar and voiceover. We also used programs like Photoshop, After Effects, and Premiere Pro, but we will not discuss them today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Have you ever heard of a planet where AI is as old as their civilization? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a journey to that planet.
It looks like she was also created with AI.
Step number 1. Generate an image of your avatar using MidJourney. Go to MidJourney and type the command /imagine followed by a description of the image you want to generate in a specific format. Keep in mind that the character must have human facial features, as the program DID cannot recognize an object that does not look like a person when loading the picture. It is desirable that the face is full face, with the same proportions on the left and right to ensure that the animation is more realistic and without distortion after processing with the voice. Here's my initial prompt if you're interested. By the way, I want to add a futuristic look to my character. Let it be a girl, since I will be using a female voice. Let her fly on a little flying machine and be cheerful and cute. After some research on the topic, look at all the cool options I've come up with. I love this variation. Who's the cutest one here? Do you recognize her? Hey there, that's me. Select the image you want and upscale it to a higher resolution, then download it to your computer.
Guess what, guys? I just learned that humans have only now started studying AI. Although they have some interesting developments using artificial intelligence, listen up.
What? How is that possible?
Did they just discover electricity too?
What do they even know about AI?
Step number 2. Text-to-speech with Azure Cognitive Services from Microsoft. To create text for your video, you can use the well-known ChatGPT, which we also used. Go to speech.microsoft.com. A more detailed instruction about this service will be covered in another video lesson, so be sure to subscribe and don't miss it. Copy the text and paste it into the editing window. For the voiceover of our videos, I often use this service, and as you can see, the interface looks friendly. The service is free up to a certain number of characters per month, after which payment begins. You can use 500,000 characters a month for free, which is a lot. So far I have always had enough. Once you have a speech resource, click on New File to get started. Choose a voice to generate the audio output. You can select from more than 100 pre-built voices in close to 50 different languages, including neural voices. Preview the audio by hitting play. I love this variation. Who's the cutest one here? You can listen to the entire text or select specific portions. Fine-tune the audio to make it more suitable for your use case. Who's the cutest one here? Who's the cutest one here? Highlight the content you want to tune and select from various speaking styles and emotions to make the voice output more appropriate. Who's the cutest one here? To adjust the prosody of the audio, use the intonation feature. Preview the audio to review the changes you made. Do you recognize her? Do you recognize her? Do you recognize her? If you are satisfied with the audio, export or download the audio output. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly create high-quality audio content with Azure Speech Studio.
Listen up. And be sure to like the video and please subscribe to our PlanNet, because I really need the views. And I'll be showing you some really epic ideas that you can use on our PlanNet too.
Step 3 involves DID for the final animation of the avatar AI and the voiceover. Create a free account on DID, and after logging in, click Create Video to start. Upload the character you created with MidJourney by clicking the Add button. By the way, I decided that we only need to animate the head, so I separated it on a green background layer in Photoshop to make it easier to edit the video later. Upload the generated voice in the Azure Studio and click the Upload Voice Audio button. This program can also generate a voice, but I noticed that it uses the same voices and features as Speech Studio from Azure Microsoft. Click the Generate Video button to create a high-quality photorealistic graphics video with an animated avatar. A certain amount of credits will be charged. The free account has 20 credits, which is sufficient for getting acquainted. You can upload it to your computer. If you want additional features, such as longer videos, more characters, or more customization options, upgrade to a paid plan. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can create an animated AI avatar to promote your business or brand. So, what have we achieved? Let's wrap up our video about a distant planet.
Well, I heard they're still figuring it out. They only started learning about it a few decades ago.
A few decades? We've been using AI for over 10,000 years in our civilization.
What kind of technology do they even have?
I heard they just developed AI that can write simple scripts.
That's it? We have AI that can run our entire cities, and they can only write simple scripts?
I guess humans have a long way to go, but I have a feeling they'll catch up soon. After all, they did invent the wheel eventually. If you're wondering what other ideas I've found about evolution on planet's Earth internet, don't miss our next journeys. Subscribe.